Samsung has recently unveiled a new advertisement ridiculing the unsuccessful commercial that Apple had previously introduced. In the event that you didn't catch it, during the presentation of the iPad Pro, Apple broadcasted a commercial that resulted in unease and irritation among a specific group of individuals. To be honest, I didn't find any offense in that commercial, but there are individuals who get offended by absolutely everything. In the commercial by Apple, there were various products or instruments used for creating art inside a press machine, which starts crushing everything until it shatters into pieces, leaving behind only the iPad Pro. The commercial also emphasizes and boasts about the ultra-thin design of the iPad Pro, showcasing its sleek and slim form. Then the offended individuals began making a great deal of noise on social media, and Apple ultimately ended up apologizing for that commercial, stating that they had missed the mark on what they had wanted to communicate. As a curious fact, LG had already released a practically identical commercial many years ago, so as always, LG had done it first, but no one had paid attention. But what we're going to talk about is Samsung's new commercial and how it has responded somewhat mockingly to Apple's commercial. It is a brief commercial in which an individual arrives at a location where all the instruments have been destroyed and discovers a severely damaged old guitar. Subsequently, the person is observed examining a musical staff on the Galaxy Tab S Ultra and proceeds to play that particular piece of music. Then they zoom in on the brand of Samsung to clarify to whom the commercial belongs, ending with the phrase, "Creativity cannot be crushed," emphasizing the enduring power of innovation. Honestly, I find Samsung's response to be interesting and creative, but I firmly believe that Apple's commercial should never have been pulled down. It was an interesting concept attempting to convey how the iPad has the potential to replace numerous tools, but in these times, vocal minorities can have a significant impact, unfortunately.